The next thing I want to work on is the buzzer. So again, I'm going to create a new file, go to new. I'm going to paste that stuff at the top because I wanted to make use of it. I'm going to press enter twice, do buzzer equals, so the same thing we did for the LED before, buzzer equals pin, and I think it was pin, where does it go? You know what? I don't remember. Let me go to my circuit diagram. Here is my diagram. So it says pin, what's this? Pin 7, but on the actual data sheet, let's look on the data sheet here. Raspberry Pi Pico pin out. Yep, this is the one I need. Pin 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, GP5. So that's where my buzzer is connected. Let's close this, go back to Thonny here, and it's going to be pin 5. Oh, why is it not typing? Pin 5, comma. Then I'm going to do pin dot out. This should be all I need. Let's double check the LED program. Yeah, pin pin out. Perfect. Okay, so when I go back to mine now, I should be able to turn this buzzer on. So I can simply say buzzer dot high. This is going to be the most annoying sound you'll hear in your entire life, but the buzzer is going to work. Or I should be able to do toggle as well, to be fair. Toggle, toggle. Let's sleep for 0.5. Or let's sleep for 1. Then let's do toggle again. Buzzer dot toggle. There we go. That should make it work. There we go. I press play. Hopefully you guys heard the sound. It was a bit faint, but let me press it again and try to be super quiet. Yeah, that's it. Buzzer working. So now again, I need to incorporate this into a while loop. And all I would do if I were you is to put this buzzer code into the while loop for the LEDs, because the buzzer and the LEDs need to work together. So maybe create a new thing called LED and buzzer and put it there. So I'm just going to save this quickly. Control S to save, choose Raspberry Pi Pico. I'm going to call this one 05 buzzer underscore toggle. So we know how to make it work, .py. Now we can build the rest of our system up. And everything you're doing here, I would create a logbook. And again, let me just quickly show you how I would do that.